Welcome to Section 1. The price is right. Why it matters more than you think. Price is a powerful signal. It tells your customers what to expect. It influences their perception of value. Get your pricing right, and you're not just covering costs. You're shaping how your brand is perceived. In the dropshipping world, this is even more critical. You're competing in a crowded marketplace. Often, the biggest differentiator is price. Customers are savvy. They can easily compare offerings from multiple sellers with a few clicks. A well-crafted pricing strategy can be your competitive edge. Think of price as a lever. You can adjust it to drive different outcomes. Want to attract a larger customer base? Consider competitive pricing. Looking to position yourself as a premium brand? A higher price point might be your answer. Master this, and you're well on your way to building a successful dropshipping business.
Welcome to Section 2, Cost-Based versus Value-Based, Choosing Your Pricing Philosophy. There are two fundamental approaches to pricing: cost-based and value-based. Each has its own merits and drawbacks. The key is to choose the one that aligns best with your business goals and target market. Cost-based pricing is straightforward. You calculate your total costs. Then, you add a desired markup to determine your selling price. This ensures you cover your expenses and make a profit on each sale. However, it doesn't consider what customers are willing to pay, potentially leaving money on the table. Value-based pricing flips the script. It starts with the customer. You determine how much they value your product or service. Then, you set your prices accordingly. This approach often leads to higher profits. The key takeaway is this: your pricing strategy should reflect your brand positioning and target market. The goal is to find the pricing sweet spot that resonates with your customers while driving profitability.
Welcome to Section 3, Sizing Up the Competition Competitive Analysis for Smart Pricing. In the fast-paced world of dropshipping, knowledge is power. And when it comes to pricing, understanding your competition is non-negotiable. Competitive analysis is your secret weapon. It gives you the insights to price your products strategically and gain a competitive edge. Start by identifying your key competitors. Who are the major players in your niche? Once you've got them in your sights, it's time to dig deeper. Analyze their pricing strategies. What are they charging for similar products? What do their pricing tiers look like? But don't stop there. Go beyond the numbers. Examine their shipping costs, return policies, and any additional perks they offer. These factors all play a role in the overall value proposition they present to customers. Remember, competitive analysis isn't about copying, it's about learning. Use the information you gather to inform your own pricing decisions. Stay informed, stay agile, and use this knowledge to your advantage.
Section 4. Pricing Strategies that Win. Finding the perfect fit for your products. When it comes to pricing your products, you've got a range of strategies at your disposal. Each one comes with its own set of advantages and is best suited for specific scenarios. Let's break down some of the most effective pricing strategies for dropshippers. Penetration pricing is all about making a splash. It involves setting your initial price low to quickly gain market share. This is a great strategy for new businesses looking to attract customers and build brand awareness. However, it's important to have a plan for eventually raising prices once you've established yourself. Price skimming is the opposite approach. You start with a high price, targeting early adopters and customers willing to pay a premium for exclusivity. As the market becomes saturated, you gradually lower prices to attract a wider audience. Bundle pricing is all about giving customers more bang for their buck. You group related products together and offer them at a discounted price compared to buying them individually. The key is to find what works best for your products, your target market, and your overall business goals. Remember, pricing is a lever you can adjust to drive different outcomes.
Section 5. The Dynamic Pricing Advantage. Adapting to market shifts in real time. In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, static pricing can be a recipe for missed opportunities. Enter dynamic pricing, a strategy that allows you to adjust your prices in real time based on market demand, competitor activity, and other relevant factors. Think of dynamic pricing as a way to stay agile and responsive to the constantly shifting sands of the market. By leveraging data and automation, you can ensure that your prices are always optimized for maximum profitability. Imagine a sudden surge in demand for a particular product due to a trending social media challenge or an unexpected weather event. With dynamic pricing, you can automatically adjust your prices upward to capitalize on this increased demand. Conversely, if a competitor slashes their prices, you can instantly respond and remain competitive. The benefits of dynamic pricing are numerous. It allows you to maximize revenue during peak seasons, clear out slow-moving inventory, and stay ahead of the competition. However, it's important to implement dynamic pricing strategically. Transparency is key. Dynamic pricing, when done right, can be a game changer for dropshippers.
Section 6. The Long Game. How strategic pricing builds sustainable success. Pricing is not a one-time decision. It's an ongoing process that requires careful consideration and regular adjustments. Strategic pricing is about playing the long game. It's about building a sustainable business that can weather market fluctuations and stand the test of time. Stay informed about industry trends, monitor your competitors, and most importantly, listen to your customers. What are they saying about your prices? Are they balking at your high-end offerings or snapping up your budget-friendly options? Use this feedback to inform your pricing decisions. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of dropshipping is its flexibility. You can adjust your pricing strategy quickly and easily without the burden of large inventory investments. Strategic pricing is about balancing profitability with customer satisfaction. Master this delicate balance, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving dropshipping business that can stand the test of time.